Assalamualaikum Jun. This is Anggi speaking.
Waalaikumsalam. Oh, Anggi. Why do you call me?
Are you in your boarding house now?
Yes, I am at my boarding house. Why, Anggi?
I'm not in front of your boarding house. I want to do our task about speaking. If you're not busy.
Of course, I'm not busy. So, you are now at the front of at my boarding house?
Yes. What number your room is?
Oh, my number room is 17.
What? Your number room is 70?
Oh, not, but my number room is 17. And I will wait you outside at my room.
Oh, your number room is 17. Okay, Assalamualaikum.
Okay, Waalaikumsalam.